What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to talk to you about a quick issue problem that could arise with your Volvo XC60, S40, S60 from the late 2000s all the way up to model year 2017 and 18, depending on which model you have. And that is the traction control and ABS light. A couple weeks ago, my traction control and ABS light came on, as pictured right here. And the problem that was causing it was a clipped wire on the ABS module. And of course, this caused the light to go on and the car to go into limp mode, which is obviously very annoying to drive with. So that all being said, I spliced the wire, and that fixed the problem. As soon as I spliced that wire, it was feeding a current back to the sensor, and within a minute of driving, or 30 seconds of driving the car after the fix, it went ahead and turned off all the lights and went back to normal driving with the transmission. So this is all good stuff. If this happens to you, check all your wires, and then of course there's a module that you can buy off Amazon, which is right here, and that module will allow you to read codes off your Volvo and Saab and tell you which ABS module is throwing the code, so you can go ahead and either replace it or repair it. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys and your Volvos. Please subscribe, please like this video, and ask me any questions you may have in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time.